Welcome to ANZ Kids. Hello super learners. Today we are going to learn something magical about words. Are you ready to become word wizards? Let's learn about prefixes and suffixes. Let's see what is a prefix. A prefix is a small word part added to the beginning of a word. A prefix changes the meaning of the word. Let's check the examples. Un plus happy. It makes unhappy. Un means not. Wow, just one small part changed the meaning. Re plus play. Replay. Re means again. Dis plus like. It makes dislike. Dis means not. Miss plus place. It makes misplace. The meaning of miss is wrong. Remember, prefix comes before the word. Now let's see what is suffix. A suffix is a small word part added to the end of the word. A suffix also changes the word's meaning. Let's check some of the examples. Help plus er, that is, it makes helper. Jump plus ing, it is jumping. The ing meaning is happening now. Play plus ed, it makes played. Ed, when we add, it means already happened. Joy plus full, it makes joyful. The meaning of full here is full of. Hope plus less, it makes hopeless. The meaning of less here is without. Now let's compare the suffix and prefix. Prefix comes at the beginning while suffix comes at the end. Prefix changes the meaning. Suffix changes the meaning or tense. Example of prefix is unhappy and the example of suffix is playing. Quiz time. Let's play a game. What is the prefix in the word unhappy? Is it happy, un, or y? Yes, the prefix in the word unhappy is un. What is the suffix in the word jumping? Is it jump? Is it ing? Or is it g? The suffix in the word jumping is ing. Now can you tell me which word has a prefix? Is it playful, rewrite, or jumping? Yes, the word rewrite has a prefix. Now tell me which word has a suffix. Is it dislike, preview, or teacher? The word teacher has a suffix, that is er. You did an awesome job today. Remember, prefix comes in the beginning, suffix at the end. Both change the word meanings. Keep practicing and become a true word wizard. See you next time. Bye.